Okay, so I'm here with the Amazboost signal booster that I just got. Not sure how it's going to work out for me, but I'm going to show you why I need it real quick. So, one of my businesses is inside of a storage facility, which is metal from top to bottom, everything here. I'm refurbish and rehab uh, couches, and this entire building is metal. So right now, I don't get a signal until I go way down that hallway to the end of the hall here, where this wall, this back wall here, as it stretches across the entire building, is to the street. So there is a window, a glass window behind here. And that's where I get a signal. I get a signal standing right here. So what I have to do is put a booster up there, and I'm going to run it way down the hall and see if, because I get a signal here, if it'll boost the signal enough so where I have uh, a phone signal in the building. This is a test. This will test if this thing really works, because that antenna is supposed to be outdoors. I can't get it outside, obviously. And this building, as you can see, is all metal. So it's going to be interesting. We'll take a look and see what happens. You've seen the antenna that I hooked up down the hallway here. Well, it's not hooked up, but it's just sitting there right now. This is the rest of the system that comes with it. You get about 60, I think there's 60 foot of cable. This is the actual booster, the plug, the indoor antenna. I don't know exactly how that, I guess it just plugs up to the side of the thing here. Booster. Yeah, we're about to see how this works. So there I have the receiver in the top corner of my storage unit here, and I'm getting signal. I got 2 bars in here. It's awesome. So this thing works.